Hi, I'm Scott Wright, owner of the network marketing company WorkWithScottWright.com. What is WorkWithScottWright.com? We offer financial products, some that are automated, some totally hands-off, and make people 2 to 3% per month compounded on their deposit. We also offer other financial products that are more hands-on for those that like to trade in the currency market or investment into startup companies, as well as offering financial webinars, workshops, and much more. What can you expect to gain from these services? We help people find money they didn't know they had, help them grow that money and learn how to manage it so they can keep it and enjoy it. We are a publicly traded company registered by the SEC and monitored regularly by the governing authorities. What is cryptocurrency and how do you make money with it? The cryptocurrency market is a market where digital currency is bought and sold. There are over 1,300 digital currencies as of now. Bitcoin was the first and is the most recognized. You can make money by A, buying it, holding it and waiting for the value to go up, like waiting for a stock value to appreciate. B, you can trade currencies on the exchange market, buy high, sell low, etc. Or C, you can mine currency, which is utilizing complex mining machines to solve complex math equations, verifying transactions, and receiving small amounts of cryptocurrency coin for doing so. Accumulate the coins and hold while the value goes up. Most coins have a finite amount of total coins that will be in circulation, which drives the value up. I'm Scott Wright, and I look forward to working with you all soon.